Please stand by.
The National Weather Service in Upper New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, Fire Island Inlet to Morges Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, Morges Inlet to Montauk Point, New York out 20 nautical miles, Long Island South Shore Bays, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:08 p.m., showers producing 50-knot wind gusts were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles north of East Bay to 11 nautical miles south of Fire Island Inlet, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in subtly higher waves. Locations impacted include Great South Bay, Jones Beach, South Oyster Bay, Middle Bay, East Bay, Fire Island Inlet, West Hampton Beach, Morges Inlet, Morges Bay and Jones Inlet. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.